Fu work. Okay. Fu is very simple actually with the Samching magic. Okay. First of all, you need to connect to the Samching. So you use this hand sign. Okay, it's like ringing a bell, right? So you put your hand here to connect. You can do your heart spell 0, stomp the left foot, ring. Okay, like this. Okay, loosen up the wrist and just let it shake. Okay, like that. And then you do the Samching Tinjun spell, the Heavenly Lord spell. And then you stomp left foot and ring again. Okay, now you have like ring the bell to acknowledge them that you're doing stuff, right? Okay, so here, let's keep it very simple. After you ring the bell and connect to them, okay, you have paper and a writing tool, let's say a pen brush or a pen, right? You put them in front of you on the table. Now you have to bring the Samching power into them. Okay, so you can use this hand sign. You recite the same spell, Samching Heavenly Lord spell, Samching Tinjun spell. Stomp the left foot. Okay, after you're done, right, the spell, stomp the left foot. Point to the object. Blow. Okay, or if you have multiple objects, dot, 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 and then wrap a circle around them and blow, and then come back, turn into a palm. Ha! That empowers everything with the power of the Samching. Now you can begin. Okay, so you can take your paintbrush and here. Okay, keeping it very simple, you can start writing the food. Okay, the most basic one we start with, like for example the header. So the Samching, the 3 dots, right? Yo cheng cha xiong cheng cha tai cheng cha, and then the chickling, kip kip yu ring cha cha ling, and then in the middle I write whatever body, and then the 2 fu ben ling xim cheng hua ling zhong heng. Okay, so I write those things, and I write a fu dam inside. Fu dam, you can, like as the book say, you can do the circle and then think about what you want to happen on, like the details about the fu, right? After you're done, flip your brush around 3 times on the fu dam, and then 1 time on each of the dot of the Samching. However, this fu that you just did is not registered. Like your system does not have the fu. If you use a fu from our fu book, it's fine because it's all registered already in the system. Okay, the fu in our fu book are all registered. Now this is not. So what do? You register it. So you put the fu here, right? And then you take this hand sign and you recite the upper clear, the Shang Ching spell, and stomp the left foot. Okay, dot the heart, and then point at the fu and stomp the left foot once. Okay, if you have multiple fu, you can do stomp, next page, stomp, next page, like that. Okay, so every stomp will record the fu on it. Like you just record the fu up there and say this is the fu. Okay. Okay, so from then on, if you draw the same fu again, you don't have to do this. Okay, it's only for the first time. You don't need to do it every time. So after the recording of the fu, you're all done, right? Because this is using the Samching structure, the Samching power, you don't even need to stamp it. The fu don't need a stamp. Okay, so what do? At the end, check fu, right? You can put the fu down here on the table. Now we're going to fire the check fu spell inside, and we're going to utilize this hand sign. Okay, Samching. So you recite the Samching check fu spell, and then stomp the left foot. Go here, point, blow. Stomp the right foot. Cha. Okay, like this. Cha. Bring up, and then. Okay, so let's look again. Okay, from here, Samching check fu spell. Stomp left foot, point, blow, and then flip and cha, right? Ha, ha, okay? Keep, you know, cha, ha, okay? you cha, cha, and then ha, okay, like that. So that way you activated the fu, and now the fu can be used. It's so simple, right? So simple. So remember, this method will work because of the something power. So you have to cultivate those spells, the something spell, or else they don't respond to you, right? So when you cultivate the spell, they respond to you. Keep going.